Hi guys, welcome to another video of this candlestick series. So as we discussed in our previous video, so we have finished up with all our single candlestick patterns. So right now we will be moving into dual candlestick patterns. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So you can see that the first type of dual candlestick pattern what we will be studying is called engulfing candlestick patterns. Basically it is also of two forms, bullish engulfing and bearish engulfing. So in bullish engulfing candlestick pattern, what happens, there will be a downtrend. After a downtrend, all of a sudden there will be a bullish candlestick which will form in such a way that it will engulf the entire body of the previous bearish candlestick pattern. So if you don't know what is bullish bearish candlestick body wicks, please watch my previous videos. So as I said, there will be a downtrend. After a downtrend, a bullish candle will be formed which will engulf the entire body of the bearish candlestick, and from there it will reverse and an uptrend will start. Similarly, what will happen in a bearish engulfing pattern is that there will be an upward movement, and all of a sudden there will be a bearish candlestick which will form, which will engulf the entire body of the bullish candlestick, and then from there the market will reverse and will start going down. Yeah, so always remember, as the name says, engulfing. In bullish engulfing, a bearish candle will be engulfed by a bullish candlestick, and in a bearish engulfing, a bullish candle will be engulfed by a bearish candle. Yeah, as simple as that. So let me show you some examples of bullish engulfing candle. You can see that there was a downtrend here. After a downtrend, the entire body of this bearish candlestick was engulfed by a bullish candle, and then from here the market started going up. So you can see that the body of this bearish candle was engulfed by the bullish candle, and then the market reversed. Let me show you another example. So in this also you can see that there was a clear cut downtrend. After the downtrend, the entire body of this bearish candle was engulfed by this bullish candle, and after it was engulfed, it started an uptrend. Yeah. So I hope the bullish engulfing candlestick is clear. Let me show you some example of bearish candlestick pattern. Yeah. So you can see that there was an uptrend here. After an uptrend, this bullish candle was engulfed by a bearish candle. You can see the entire body of this bullish candle was engulfed by the body of this bearish candle, and from there a downtrend started. Yeah, and the market reversed. Let me just show you another example. You can see again here there was a clear cut uptrend. After an uptrend, the market paused, and this bullish candle was completely engulfed by the body of this bearish candle, and the market reversed. Yeah, so these engulfing patterns are very helpful. You need to understand where are the support and resistance, which I will be teaching you in the upcoming videos. And as soon as you see some engulfing candles, like a bullish or bearish engulfing candle, you should wait for a while and see where the market is going, and if the market reverses, jump into that trade, and book 1:2 risk reward ratio, and you can take up the trade. Yeah, everything will be taught to you. Just make sure you understand these candlestick very much clearly, and then in the following videos we will be discussing how to take up trades based on these candlesticks. Yeah, thank you for watching. If you liked the video and if you learned something out of it, please do give us a thumbs up and like this video, and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubts or any queries, please drop it down over the comment section. Thank you.